Yeah, Anand speaking. Hello, Anand speaking. I am an engineer. I am master degree. I am 28 years experienced person serving with a private company. See, what I am following, whether we are following the procedure to fill the potholes. We normally very strict use the procedures to work in industry. It seems to perceive I am traveling 100 kilometers a day for 24 years. I have seen lot many the potholes being filled on Nashik Bombay highway. Then the procedure is not followed. People may not.
Of course, because you're giving fly-by-night operators. Fly-by-night operators are being given huge contracts, and I think there should be a full investigation on the links of these fly-by-night operators, if any. And our next caller is from Junagadh, Dr. Atul. Good evening, Dr. Atul.
Hello.
Good evening, Dr. Atul.
Yeah, I am speaking. Dr. Atul speaking from Junagadh.
Yeah.
Sir, exactly, I would like to draw your kind attention regarding the potholes. The matter is that, hello?
Yeah, go ahead.
Can you listen to me?
Go ahead, can listen to you.
The matter is that India is having 3 tiers.
Rahul Narvekar is walking off the program. I don't know why.
Hello?
I don't know. The
Hello?
Shiv Sena representative just walked off the program. Okay, anyway, please continue. I think he's coming back. Okay, he's gone to take a call. He's coming back. Okay, fine. He's going to come back. Go ahead.
Can I go ahead?
Go ahead. We can all listen to you loud and clear, sir.
Hello, okay. India is having 3-tier system as per Dr. Balwant Rai Mehta committee. Now the corruption has been started from the grassroots level, even in the villages and even in the little towns. The corruption has been started.
Yeah.
Because road transportation is under the criteria of water department work, public department work.
Yeah.
So the question is that if the grassroots level is going to be corrupted, now what about the higher level?
Yeah. I'm with you.
Potholes are not for the pressure of only mega cities. They are even in villages. And even village sarpanch and all the fellows, those who are conducting the matter.
Well, Dr. Atul, we are going to take a lot of callers on this program, and you know, before that, I have a caller who has a personal tragedy to share. And while we listen to our next caller, I just want to say one thing, that the politicians in this country who want to run the next election on the basis of minority-majority debates, who want to divide our country, must understand at some point the people of this country will rise up against them and ask them these questions about governance. And our next caller, who has a personal tragedy to share, I am told, is Amit from Delhi. Amit, hi. Good evening.
Hi, Arnab.
Yeah, what do you want to say?
You see, Arnab, I lost a friend whom I had known for 22 years. Though he was 7-8 younger to me, was a filmmaker. Now, this is not just confined to potholes. In Delhi, our Chief Minister says, pray to God to stop rain. 3 hours of rain and roads are flooded. Roads in Delhi are owned by PWD, so the Congress. But the MCD, the municipal corporations, are BJP. This person died because of electrocution, because there is corruption everywhere. Now, they don't enforce building bylaws. He went to an upmarket shopping complex, taking his grandmother, his wife, and a 3-year-old son. And he parks his car, he opens his door, he actually goes to the bank, comes back. He opens the door of his car to help his grandmother come in. His car door touches the gate of this building, which electricity from air conditioners, which is on encroached land, is
electrocuted,
leaking.
My God.
And he dies. He is taken to the hospital. This happened less than 2 kilometers from where All India Institute of Medical Sciences, a premier institute. Across All India is Safdarjung. He is taken to Safdarjung. Doctors do not attend to him. They don't attend to him. They say it's raining. They refuse to come out. Then once the emergency, the doctors come out and they say, we can't treat him here. You take him to the burns department. So he is taken to the burns department. Again, he is not attended to. He dies in the ambulance. Then when he is attended, he is declared brought dead. Now in that family, look at the tragedy. He lost his father early in his childhood. He was brought up by his maternal grandmother. Now he leaves behind his wife and a 3-year-old son. His mother had to do the funeral rites because there's no man left in the family. I mean, I just can't understand the amount of corruption that we have in the country. There are diesel power generators that are on encroached land in parts of Delhi. They produce huge amount of electricity, unregulated electricity. I personally, 3-4 months ago, went to the Deputy Commissioner's office, told his office that this is happening. No action is taken. We live in a highly corrupt country. There is this Neta, Babu, businessman or Banyan nexus. Unless we get rid of it, we don't have a solution. We'll keep losing lives like my friend did.
Well, you know, Amit,
True, absolutely.
Amit, you know, I understand every sentiment of yours, and I share your anger. I want to also share a statistic with you, that there was a report that this Municipal Corporation of Delhi acquired a mobile pothole repairing machine. I don't know if you know about that, which could mend roads inside an hour at the cost of 1.1 crore rupees. And there was a report which 2 years later, most of the people in that MCD could not even remember having acquired such a device. And the reason we are picking this up is, you know, Amit, why we are picking this up is that the kind of incident that your friend went through does not happen. And the reason we are putting pictures of potholes on this channel repeatedly is because we feel very, very strongly that at every single step where a citizen of India has to deal with the civic administration, he faces callousness, apathy, and I give a damn attitude. I tell you, Amit, I cannot share the extent of your grief. I cannot even express it, but your story really shocks me. I thank you for your call. Kiran Majumdar-Shaw, let me go back to you. And you know, the situation is the same everywhere, Ms. Majumdar. But why have people put up with it for so long? And why are people talking about it only now? Is it because people are dying, or it's being reported or talked about?
Well, I think people have been very apathetic, Arnab. And I think basically it is about lack of governance. It is about a municipal system that has not been challenged or questioned. And finally, it is about people demanding better roads and better service from the government agencies. And I think we as a community in Bangalore have decided that enough is enough. We need to now do something. And I can tell you that we have come together. We have actually worked with the government. I am very, very optimistic that in the next 1 year, at least Bangalore should get better roads. And we've got the government to commit over 200 crores to building these new quality roads.
Well, you know,
I think it will happen.
Well, I hope so. I hope so, because I hope so. And I'd like to share your hope, and I don't want to destroy your faith. But Kiran Majumdar-Shaw, let me tell you, in Mumbai, they spent 253 crores in the last few years. That money went nowhere, only for repairing potholes.
Yeah, but if you don't build the right kind of roads, it's a waste of 250 crores.
Well, I think politicians are experts at wasting people's money, aren't they? Politicians are experts at wasting people's money.
There was a person on the program who said that you need to build roads that last.
Well, you know,
our country,
you also need to make sure that the roads are not dug up immediately after they are laid.
No, it's getting into technicalities is not the job of a common man. We call our country one of the most powerful countries, and we don't have we don't have power to give you basic roads. We cannot have proper roads, and we call ourselves the biggest powerful country, and the system can't give
I'll tell you, we can build terrific roads, and we tell you that. We can, you know, the Border Roads Organization, the Border Roads Organization in the Indian Army, and the Border Roads Task Force builds terrific roads, and you can go down any border state and you find the roads that they have and the roads they maintain.
They should be given the contract.
You know where
they should be asked to make the roads.
You know where you have the worst worst
army,
roads.
that's why.
You have the worst roads in our metros because the politicians control the funds. The politicians give blacklisted firms contracts. The politicians
contractors.
Yeah, and
it's happening
yeah,
year by year. It's
absolutely.
happening every year.
And you know what happens when you ask the politicians questions? Then what they do is they do a convenient blame game. Because after the recent showers in Delhi, for example, Priyanka, let me go to you. One got to see that routine blame. First of all, we had that ridiculous comment of Sheila Dikshit. I don't know what she means. What did she say? Something about let us
pray to God that rains don't happen.
Pray to God that it does not rain anymore.
Intervention or not?
No, one second.
Okay,
One second.
I'd like to bring your attention back to I'd like to bring your attention back
No, Priyanka.
back to Mumbai city. Now,
No, I want to talk about Delhi.
Delhi is
One
part of
second.
India.
One second. Let's talk about Delhi. No, you only want to talk
you do
about what's
talk about
convenient to
Delhi.
you.
I can
go
talk
back to
about the
Mumbai
rest.
when the capital is Delhi.
No, it's not about convenience.
Why not?
Every year on year, we've been facing this challenge.
Yeah.
But you are ruling the
And we
government.
still haven't got answers.
You are ruling the state, Priyanka. You are the ruler.
No, but
you are
no,
the.
Mr. Pandit,
It's
Mr. Pandit, are you speaking as a citizen or
it's your.
spokesperson of
it's-
BJP Shiv Sena?
You see what-
Sorry?
You first got to clear that to me.
What?
I'm asking you a question.
Come on.
No, you don't
We
give
have
my.
been facing
No,
this.
you don't give my
As a
identification.
resident of
No, you
Mumbai,
don't give. You
I
don't,
have been
Priyanka.
waiting
You
for
don't.
hours and
No, you don't give my
facing
identification.
seeing those roads.
You don't give my identification. Your government is ruling here when you are so quick in putting your boards. Notices
So
on
then
the
give
on the
total
on the
charge to
streets
state government.
on the
Let
streets
the state
why
government
there is
intervene
why
and
there is
provide
no
the roads.
why
The
there
BMC
is
can't do it.
why there is no
Let the state government-
quickness
let the state government
why
come
there
into
is
the picture.
why there is
Let
no
the state government
quickness
come into the
in
picture.
making the
If
roads
BMC is failing to do this to Mumbai,
why there is no
why can't you
quickness
give us
in
the-
making the
the
roads
authority? Give us the authority.
I as a common man
BMC
want my
has
roads to be
totally
perfect
mismanaged.
I as a common man want the road to be
Exactly.
You know
without
what?
BMC
without
has
potholes
been failing us year on year.
You know what?
Let the state government intervene and let them do it.
Oh, there's the passing the buck. That's classic passing the buck. I wanted that to happen. One second. This
No, it's
is
not
what
passing the buck.
this is what Priyanka people are sick and tired about. I'm sorry to have to tell you this in as straight a language as that, because when the people of Delhi were suffering, you know what they saw? They saw the state PWD and the BJP-led municipal corporations indulging in a petty, ridiculous and shameful fight. Right? PWD blamed MCD, MCD blamed
No, I
PWD,
am also
and the
speaking as a
people
resident
suffered,
of
and the
Mumbai,
chief
where
minister says,
I am a sufferer as well.
well, no, please understand.
Arnab, can I state the facts about Delhi? Can I just
I
come on
totally
Delhi?
understand, Arnab.
Arnab, just a second.
Well, I don't know. You know, these facts
Arnab,
are not
can I
good
come
anyway.
on Delhi?
No, why don't you talk about Bangalore? I find it interesting. Priyanka wants to talk about
I'll first
Bombay.
talk about Delhi because Delhi has been on the core of issues right now.
No, I want to talk about
Please,
Bangalore.
let me
No,
open some
Bangalore
facts
also,
about
if you
Delhi.
notice, the
Then
state
we'll go to
government
Bangalore
has
as well, and
intervened.
Mumbai also,
Even the
but
state
let me-
government
One second.
has to intervene.
One
to
second.
provide better
Give me a
roads.
second.
1 second. On the 20th of July, Sambit Batra, a bus driver was so caught up in trying to skirt a pothole that he did not see a woman trying to cross the road. In the process, the 60-year-old came under the wheels of the bus. She was crushed to death. You run the municipal corporation. What responsibility do you take for that death?
You're absolutely right. Condolences to the family of all.
Condolences
those who
to the
lost lives
family?
sitting here
Come
over
on.
here. No.
Who takes responsibility? I don't want your
agree,
condolences.
candidly. No, Arnab, sitting over here as a politician, I cannot shun off my responsibility. Even any party is responsible for it. As a young politician of this country, I should say, well, yes, let's together change the face of this nation for the
How many
tomorrow
years?
at least.
Well-
But I have to make some.
How many years? Potholes.
Congress has been ruling for
Potholes,
Sir,
potholes.
Congress has been ruling for 60 long
Let us-
years
let us
in this
talk about
country, and I
potholes,
pointed out
boss.
at the beginning.
You know-
pot bellies of Congress
Let
are
us-
the ones which
you know-
is
you know what-
responsible
you know-
for the potholes
let us-
of this
You know
country.
what we are seeing here
But
tonight?
let me.
You know what we are seeing? One second. We have three political parties.
We
I'm
are not
taking up.
talking about terrorism. We are talking about potholes, boss.
We
Let
know.
us talk about potholes.
But potholes
Let us talk about potholes.
on the roads. I believe they are terrorism on the roads.
No.
Unleash
You
your
are
terrorism
unnecessarily
on the road.
diverting the
Yes.
issue. You are unnecessarily diverting the issue, boss.
No,
I, as a
diverting.
common man,
If you
I
allow
have a
me to
right.
state a few facts.
I have a right
Mr.
to.
Pandit,
I have
yes,
a right
I'm going
to
to
proper
answer you.
roads. I have a right to proper roads, boss.
Yes.
I'm paying my road tax. I'm paying my road tax. So I, as a common man, I, as a
That's
citizen.
what, please, Mr.
How
Pandit,
many
let me
you
answer.
need?
Let
You
me
need.
answer, Mr. Pandit. I'll
Boss, one
answer
sec. 60 years, more than 60 years, we have got independence and we have not learned how to make roads. We have not learned how to put, rectify the potholes. It's a shame on a political system. Whosoever political party is.
You know, they've given the contract.
It's a shame.
I say here tonight, let us expose all the pothole politicians and the pothole contractors. Because there are specific contractors who are... No, we want to expose the pothole contractors. Then we want to find out who are their pothole politicians who are patronizing the pothole contractors. Because the BMC set aside in Bombay, can you imagine? 100 crores for road only pothole repair in each of the 3 divisions for pre-monsoon works. The island city, eastern and western suburb. That's 300 crore rupees. Additional 50 crore for extra pothole repair. And we spoke to the BMC commissioner. The BMC commissioner says, we're going to start some pothole repair because these potholes came up in the monsoons. Well, I don't know. Why do the potholes not repaired before the monsoon? This is ridiculous. This is like the CWG scam all over again. And I don't know why all of India's politicians and bureaucrats cannot discover how to repair potholes.
Absolutely.